everybody. We just went to dinner, Gala night, aka horrible night. Sequins, everybody busts out the sequins on Gala night.
Yes, we did.
Yes, so we went to formal dinner in the dining room. It was really lovely. Everybody's out decked to the nines. Tonight we had the I had the rack of lamb, which was really good, with some mashed potatoes and carrots and broccoli, which was really good. What you have?
I had the mushroom pasta and I also had salmon. But the funny thing was the salmon I got wasn't actually what I ordered. I ordered
salmon croquettes or something?
Yes,
yeah.
And I got just salmon with mashed potatoes, but it was fine. I already had that. Y'all, so it's the same thing that comes in room service. But the pasta was actually the best pasta I've had thus far on the ship, and it was really good. It was very flavorful.
It was like a mushroom pappardelle?
Yes.
Mushroom pappardelle.
Very good. I love pappardelle.
Yeah.
And so it was really, really good.
Yeah, it was really good. So now we're just out and about, just watching all the people. You know, on formal nights, the best night to people watch, because everybody be dressed nice, taking pictures everywhere. So how was the rest of your day? We had a very relaxing day today. It was a sea day. Went by the pool. I went by the pool a little bit, walked around to see what people were doing. Everybody was just kind of relaxing, enjoying the sun and fun, trivia stuff and water activities that they were doing, but very relaxed, chill day. Took a nap, read books, right?
So far I finished 2 books. I'm on my 3rd one. I watched 2 of my TV shows. I'm watching Love in the Air, and I just finished Big Dragon. These are, I think, like Korean dramas. So maybe I'm not like them. But I had the laziest day of all. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Okay, first off, the ship is really rocking today.
Okay. Yeah, it's really rocking
so
today.
Between the rockiness of the ship, the carbs I ate for breakfast, I was gone. Y'all, I literally slept pretty much all day.
And whatever oxygen they put in the vents put you to sleep.
So I have been asleep, and when I wasn't asleep, I was reading. I've done nothing. And it's upsetting to me because I kind of feel guilty about it, but at the same time I shouldn't. I mean, that's what I want to do.
You're on vacation.
But I feel guilty because you know you like to go and do stuff, and I don't care. So
I know, but you have been really stressed out with work. You've been really working your butt off. Your body is tired and ready to rest and relax. So I get it. I totally understand. But there's a show at 9:30 tonight. I forget what it's called. One more day, or one more day, something like that. It's just a tribute to Broadway musical, so I'm gonna go to that. I'm gonna try some coffee in the chocolate shop. They have a coffee place over there, so I'm gonna try that, and maybe put a couple of dollars in the casino. We'll see, because I found the video roulette machine today when I went through there. So if you like the video roulette, I'm gonna check that out. It's probably gonna be a short night tonight, so we'll see. Bye, everybody. We'll probably see you tomorrow.
Put your hands together for Captain Giuseppe Gazzano!
Thank you. It's a pleasure to see all of you. Enjoy this beautiful evening at sea, and see you around. Ciao, ciao.
Please give a big round of applause for Captain. Come on, baby, why don't we get to town? And all that jazz, I'm gonna rouge my knees and roll my stockings down. And all that jazz,
Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, my heart's
So just left the Broadway show in the theater at 9:30. It was really nice, great entertainment, as they have already proven over the days that they are really good with entertainment. Thought the singers did a really good job. Everybody sung songs that were fitting their pitch. I thought it was excellent. Costume changes, set changes, all of it was fantastic. Highly recommend that Broadway show. One More Day, I think is what it's called. One More Time, One More Day, something like that. All the officers came out and introduced themselves. The captain was there, said good night to everybody, a welcoming good night, you know, everything. So it was really nice evening in the theater. So we're now at the buffet. Gotta check and see what they have late night after 10 p.m. in the buffet. We're gonna see what kind of snacks they have and then call it a night. We'll see what happens. Meraviglia Lounge and Bar on deck 6 next to the Promenade, and it's supposed to be time for Quest in a couple of minutes. Everybody knows from previous cruises, if you've ever seen the Quest game show, the adult game show, that it's usually packed and people get there early. We'll say half an hour or something like that. You get a good seat. There's not many people in here. I doubt that the people that are in here even know that this game show is going to be happening in here shortly. So this is going to be really interesting. So let's spin around so you can see that there's not really anybody in here. There it is here. But there's nobody else in here.
Number 4, number 2, number 12, number 21, number 4, number 14, number 2, number 22, number 13, number 12, number 11, number 14, 22, 12, 7, number 5, number 12, number 13.
Hey guys, all right, so Corey and I just got back from our Friday evening out, and tonight we went back to Ola because that's where Corey wanted to go, and then we also went to see the Quest adult game show, and then we went to, I think it's called either the Starlight or Star Lounge or something like that. I'll put it down below, but anyway, and listened to some jazz, and then we hit up the late night snacks. So just thought I'd give you my thought on the things that we did for today. And we went to the adult Quest game, and we've been to the Quest game many times, and on every ship it's always a little bit different. I will say that this was very tame. They did ask for some different things than we've seen on other ships, and it was still fun, but it was, if you've been to some of the rowdier ones, some of the, you know, rated R shows, this was not that at all. I'm thinking PG, maybe, I don't even know they would be 13. I don't know. One thing I want to tell men out there is most women don't give birth standing up. If you've seen Quest, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, it doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. Anyway, so then we went to the, is it Starlight or Star Lounge?
Star Lounge.
We went to
no, Sky Lounge.
Oh, sorry. We went to the Sky Lounge. I'm going to get it right by the time we get off. We went to the Sky Lounge, and they were playing jazz. There was actually a live saxophonist in there playing, and he sounded wonderful. And it was nice, and we just sat there and listened to music. Out by the pool, they're playing a movie, The Santa Claus, which is a movie we like, but it's really windy outside. And that's one thing about the MSC Meraviglia I don't like, is they take all the chairs up at night, so they just have like basic straight back chairs outside. And I like to lounge if I'm watching a movie, you know, and cover up with a blanket or a towel. So you couldn't do that. Nobody was out there watching that movie. And it just didn't feel like cozy and comfortable. We've been on ships where they had popcorn, and they gave you blankets and stuff. This wasn't like that.
Overall, I thought it was a really nice night. Anytime that I'm out with my wife, it's a really nice night.
Aww.
Oh, and we went to the casino, and I tried to win some money in the video roulette. That didn't go so well. It was fun. It lasted a little while, the little money that I put in there, but overall, we didn't win anything.
So we'll be back at work, Sean and Corinne, on Monday.
Yes, we'll be back at work. Anyway, so that was our night. Now we're just gonna enjoy this little snacks that we got from the buffet and go sit out on our balcony and read a little bit until we fall asleep. Probably about 5-10 minutes.
So for dinner tonight, we are actually eating at the Teppanyaki. Well, I say Teppanyaki, but it's really the sushi bar. I think Teppanyaki is the sit-down place that's over there. But we're actually at the sushi bar. And the really thing that I love here on the Meraviglia is they have these restaurants, the Butcher's Cut, and this one, where you can actually sit over the main promenade and watch people while you eat. And I really want to sit out here. Now they do have meal plans you can get, or packages. We didn't do that. Both the restaurants are a la carte. I'm not sure about Ocean Cay. We'll have to check that out. They're a la carte. And the thing is, if you get the package, you have a limited menu. If you do a la carte, you can pick from either menu. So that's why we didn't get a package. But if you review the menus ahead of time, you like what's on the package is a great deal. So we're getting ready to eat, and we'll let you know what we think of our food. So I got tempura udon, and I got teriyaki chicken. Teriyaki chicken was good. The udon was good. Nothing tasted as quite as I expected it to taste. So like, for example,
Is this the whole description day?
No. So the teriyaki, you know, we're used to teriyaki having kind of a sweet aftertaste and some sweetness in it. It didn't taste as sweet as I was expecting, but it was still good. The rice was cooked well. Everything was cooked well. The chicken was tender. I thought it was good, and it was definitely better than Ola.
First of all, the nerve of you to say that it was better than Ola. Second of all, you sticking your tongue out at me was not called for. So, I thought it was good. I had the yaki soba noodles, which was like just some noodles with chicken in it and veggies and like a soy sauce. It's very good. And then I had the chicken teriyaki, like you said. I agree with her that it could have been a little bit sweeter for the teriyaki sauce. The rice was cooked perfectly. Love their rice. The soy sauce is like a dark soy sauce, so it's extremely salty. But overall, I thought it was good. I prefer Ola better than the sushi bar.
I would say.
No, we don't need to hear what you have to say. Yes.
I know something that tastes better than Ola. A bag of Doritos dipped in a can of nachos.
Oh, how dare you! The dinner was really good. What was fun was also just the atmosphere. And being next to my wife is what made the dinner really great. Food is always better when you're in love. Okay, hey everybody. Just the last sea day before we get off tomorrow. And we decided to come to Butcher's Cut for lunch. And I will say, this is amazing. Probably the best meal that we've had up here so far, and all I've had is the appetizer and some bread. I got the smoked tomato soup. See the smoked tomato soup? And then this bread over here. This is the bacon and cheddar bread. Oh my god, just the best bread. So smoky, filled with bacon, delicious. They even gave us little pieces of I got a little piece of grilled cheese on the side to dip into the tomato soup. So robust, so amazing, so good. Then they got the goat cheese tart with blueberry compote. She's like, oh my god, this is so amazing, right? She says delicious. Okay, so we just finished lunch at Butcher's Cut. Something interesting to note for anyone who needs to know this. They will actually take your food, if you have any left over, and put it in a to-go box. You can actually take that to-go box up to the buffet and ask them to warm it up, and they'll warm it up for you. How great is that? Because I didn't finish all my steak, because that was a lot of steak, but it was so good. And he offered to cut it up and have me take it with me. And I said, well, how am I supposed to eat it? I'm not going to eat cold steak. And he said, you can go up to the buffet and ask them to warm it up, and they'll warm it up for you. So he was like, you paid for it? I sure did. So I appreciate him telling me that, and I didn't have to waste my money. Am I going to eat it later? Who knows? But at least I could try. But it was so good and filling. Dana's about to pop.
Oh yeah.
She said she knows she can move her seat. I asked her if she's gonna need a shoehorn to pry her out. You know the little shoehorn things people use to put their feet in their dress shoes? My dad used to have one of those. I don't know if people still use those or not, but I remember that when I was a kid. He'd give me his little shoehorn, have me put my shoe in my foot in the shoe, excuse me. Put my foot in the shoe. All right, we gotta go now. We'll talk to you a little bit later. I got it. Steak, leftover steak, macaroni and cheese. He was able to just take my leftover plate, went and put it in the microwave or did something with it in the back, came back. Beautiful leftover steak. Eating good tonight. I know some people are probably jealous to be sitting in the buffet eating this steak, but I paid for this, so I'm gonna eat it. Let's have some dinner, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, you guys, we hope you enjoyed that video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time we post new videos. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.